This script automates the process of creating high-quality, smooth-scrolling screen recordings of any web page, ideal for demos, walkthroughs, or capturing dynamic content for video production. It begins by configuring your environment, setting up the path to your Chrome driver, choosing a screen resolution, and defining where the final video will be saved. Once launched, it opens Google Chrome in full screen mode using Selenium, navigates to the target web page, and gives the browser a few seconds to load. In parallel, it initiates a live screen recording using FFmpeg, one of the most powerful video processing tools available. This is configured to capture your chosen screen at 60 frames per second, using efficient H.264 compression to ensure smooth playback and high video quality. Meanwhile, the script uses JavaScript injected into the browser to simulate a smooth scrolling experience across the entire page. This creates a cinematic effect, slowly panning from top to bottom while capturing the full content. The scroll is timed based on the actual height of the web page and the scroll speed, allowing the recording to run only as long as needed. After the scroll is complete, the script gracefully terminates the screen recording and closes the browser, leaving you with a polished, scroll-through video of the entire page. The final output is saved as an MP4 file, ready to upload, edit, or share. This approach is fully customizable. You can change the screen resolution, output file name, or frame rate, and even modify the scrolling behavior. It's especially useful for creators, marketers, or developers who want to turn live websites into shareable content without manually scrolling or capturing their screens by hand. With just one command, you can produce sleek, professional-grade video content from any live web page.